Hey everyone, Dr. Tam here. So what is regenerative medicine? There has been talks about regenerative medicine on how it has helped so many people on the internet, from shoulder pain, neck pain, knee pain, hip pain, and lower back pain, just to name a few, that today I'd like to discuss with you what regenerative medicine is. How do you know if you're the right person for it? How are the treatments implemented? Okay, how long does it take for you to get better? And ultimately, how does the treatment work? Where does the human tissue come from? Well, first, I'd like to answer you. The human tissue comes from the Wharton's jelly part of the placenta. When a mom have a very healthy, live C-section, she donates her placenta for science use. And from there, the tissue is extracted from the Wharton's jelly. From there, it's processed, it's quarantined to make sure there's absolutely no bacteria, viruses, any diseases. And then it's transplanted into our office, ready to be used for any patient who have joint problems, who have decreased space between joints, that needs extra cushion, that needs extra healing. And that's really how it works. It's actually a very simple procedure. It's an outpatient procedure. There's no overnight stays. It's a procedure where you come in, an injection is done. It actually feels like a pinch and it's very non-painful. And then you are able to walk out, drive home on your own. Why does someone need regenerative medicine? Well, what happens is as we age, we start losing the ability to heal. Right around 40 to 45 is when our body actually starts decreasing in rebuilding, and it starts to degrade more than it regenerates. So let's say after about 45, you end up hurting your knee or your back, maybe your neck or your hips. And after about 12 weeks, it's just not getting better. And then it goes on for years, right? That is the time when the problem continues to reoccur. That means the problem is not getting fixed. So that's when regenerative medicine should be evaluated to see if it's right for you, and then be administered because your body's starting to lose the ability to heal. Let's give something that's going to boost and increase the healing and give you extra cushion. So what is inside this tube of regenerative medicine? Ultimately, because it's from the foundation of it, it's from the Wharton's jelly and it's donated from a live birth, what's inside and why it's able to accelerate healing properties is because it has cytokines, it has growth factors, scaffolding, and different proteins to really work together synergistically to rebuild tissues, to help accelerate and assist in the healing power of your body. Who is a candidate for human tissue transplant and regenerative medicine? Anyone who have been in chronic pain for more than 8 to 12 weeks, anyone who is not healing correctly and would like a consultation to see what they can do better to accelerate in the healing instead of just taking medication to numb the pain. Anyone who is realizing that you're not able to do certain things like work and play, or maybe go to Disneyland, or maybe go for a hike. You're not able to work out anymore and work the same way anymore. You might be a candidate for regenerative medicine. How do you know if it's right for you? When you come into our office, we're going to have you sit down with one of us for a very thorough consultation. You'll be taken through a thorough exam, and also x-rays may also be taken in the area that's affected. We have x-rays on site, so you don't have to be sent anywhere for x-rays. After that, we'll sit down and evaluate to see if you are the right patient for regenerative medicine. And then we go from there. We'll talk you through exactly how it's going to work, right? What the procedure is going to be, right? What kind of things you have to stay away from. Maybe there are certain activities that we like to have you take it easy during the first week. Maybe there's certain foods that it's not going to be the best for you while you're going through regenerative medicine. What supplements do you have to take? We call that our absolute 360 approach, looking at not just your physical health, your mental health, but also your nutritional health, your exercise health, all put together to make sure that your case becomes a success.